Hi, I'm Gardener Scott. There are hundreds and hundreds of varieties of tomatoes to choose from, but they fall into two basic categories. Join me for the next 2 minutes as I discuss determinate and indeterminate tomatoes. This is an indeterminate tomato, otherwise called a vining tomato. It'll grow and grow. This one is already about 7 feet tall and will continue growing until, in most gardens, the cold will kill it. These are determinate tomatoes. All of these have reached their final size. They're otherwise called a bush tomato. An indeterminate tomato will set flowers and fruit during its entire growth cycle. So you'll be harvesting ripe tomatoes at the same time that new flowers are beginning to appear further up the plant. Indeterminate tomatoes can get quite large, so I usually recommend trellising them to give that upward growth room to grow. A determinate tomato will set most of its flowers all at the same time, and all those flowers will become fruit, and the harvest lasts for a very short period of time, usually just a few weeks. Because of their bushy characteristics, determinate tomatoes really don't need much trellising and can be grown in a much smaller space, perfect for patios and decks. Indeterminate tomatoes are usually preferred by gardeners who like to come out almost every day to harvest tomatoes because they continue to produce and produce. Whereas determinate tomatoes are usually preferred by gardeners who want all of their harvest within a short period of time, like to make juice or a tomato sauce. There you have it. 2 minutes of indeterminate and determinate tomatoes. If you have any comments or questions, please let me know below. I'm Gardener Scott. Enjoy gardening.